Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us
On Radio SI.
So you play the bass?
Yeah, I play the bass. Borna plays guitar, Carlos sings, and Alan plays drum. They're three brothers.
The three brothers and you.
Yeah.
And the name of the band is?
Vukovi. Vukovi.
The Okovi. Okay. In Chains.
Yeah. The guitar player, he found me and he asked me if I can play with them. Then I came 2 years ago. I joined them.
So you guys are three brothers, right?
Ja, smo tri brati, smo u bendu.
Lako vam mešće? Ja, ne.
Joj, bilo teško.
So where did you find this guy?
We play on some jam sessions, and around Maribor, and we meet there somehow. And
You saw him playing, you listened to him?
He's very good bass player, and we invite him in band. And we talk about this band, and I think we'll be okay now.
He's a really cool guy, and we're happy to have him. This is all.
Short and simple. Do you understand what he's singing?
Not all. No, I understand the music, not the lyrics. The music is giving me the energy and stuff, to go on. Salam, my name is Behran Yajdari. I came from Iran. And 5 years I'm in Slovenia, but 4 years in Maribor. And first year I was in Ljubljana. But I like Maribor somehow better. More sunshine.
You have a family?
Yes, I have family.
Okay.
Wife and a baby. Wife, she's from here. We met in India, and then it was question where to live, not in India or in Iran, so we came in Slovenia. But this winter we are going back to check if we can live somewhere else half of the year and half of the year back to Slovenia.
So you came here because of love?
Yes.
And at home you speak in English, right?
Yes, but I try to speak with baby in my language and with my wife English and Slovenian mix.
So music is kind of your life?
Yes, it is. I do some folk instruments from Iran, bagpipe and saz from Turkey. So I play with different musicians here for a different project.
So is there a big rock scene in Iran?
Yeah, it is a rock scene, but it is underground, Our system doesn't want to promote the Western culture and music or art way so much, but people like it a lot, There is not allowed to play rock music, but there is more fun, I believe, and so people lover of music. They just get together and play with full energy. But here is you can play, you are free to play, they give you everything to do it, but there is no this energy and power. There is no crowd, people who to support you. Even if you have the power, there will be no crowd, Yeah, the song from Jeff Beck, Nadia, is very important to me because my daughter called Nadia and it was chosen by the song Nadia. It's an Indian song actually, but Jeff Beck played it in his way.
That was your choice?
Yes, I love it.
You are listening to Land of Dreams. This week with Beran Kashdari, an Iranian living in Slovenia.
I mean, everything is nice, just there are some thing what it bothers, maybe everywhere you go, you know. But here what I met, I think most problem is the system and government, because it's the system and government what it shows lead the people how to behave and how to do the thing, you know. And here the system doesn't give nothing to people, you know, and it make people really hard life, as I see, you know. You know, everything is look like free, but I believe you pay for it and you are not happy so much in the end to enjoy it. No, I see normal people not so happy here because the life is not so fair. I mean, you get 500-600 or 800 or even 1,000, and then your apartment costs 500-600 euro or 400. So what a life you have, you know. Yeah, what is missing is they don't live together. Everybody here, they have to watch out for themselves and their own problem, you know, because when you are in trouble here, mostly, I mean, I would say 90% or 99%, the money would help you, you know. In the end, always is money, 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 you know. And when you don't have enough money, you feel like you have to close yourself and take care about what you have to not lose it, you know. So then you cannot get together and be happy, you know, as like our grandfather they were, because that time there was money, but there was life beside money. Now it's just about money. The life is gone to some factory thing, you know, like you have to produce, you have to work and then pay taxes, do this, do that, and
pay the bills.
And in the end of the day, I believe 80% of people, they are in minus. You have to pay 20 years of your life for a credit. I mean, then you cannot go to travel. I mean, travel is not 1 week of vacation. This is nothing. I mean, 1 week I went for myself. What is that, you know?
So you're kind of kidding yourself that you're
Yes.
on holiday, huh?
Yes, you are cleaning your soul. Your soul is dying, you know? When I came here, for example in Maribor, I felt very safe city. But in last months I was attacked 2 times, you know, by some fascist guy. I was surprised, you know. I never saw it, and another news is just few days ago 2 shootings in this little city of Maribor, you know, so this makes some sense, something is changing. More pressure on people, I believe, I hope not, but I see little bit strange things are happening.
There's more tension now?
Yes, I think yes. You know, there is everywhere problem. Also, I cannot even compare those problems what we have in Iran. But still, when I see people, they are more in touch, and they have, I mean, some deep happiness. Somehow, people are more together. You know, they try to help each other out. And as I said here, maybe people, they are afraid to help each other out because of not having enough for themselves, you know. I mean, when you don't have for yourself, how you can help the other, you know what I mean? So inside, you know, people need better life. When you have better life, that means you have better economy. People are more happy. What is wrong with them? If you have, I mean, not owning anybody and you paid your bill and you have a good job, I mean, what is wrong with you? I mean, you should be a happy person. If not, I think you have to go to hospital or some forest.
Bana, tota dva štiga še grad skozi. Ja, ko če pomali, ja, tota dva še zdaj hitro zašpijamo. Karlo!
Land of Dreams.
Take the trip with us every Wednesday at 11:20 a.m. and every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Only
On Radio SI.